Good evening. Tonight, let's travel to the hidden mountains of Iga, where the legendary shadow warriors lived. Our first word means ninja or stealth.
忍び、忍び。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
忍びは夜に動きます。
In the deep forest, they trained to move without a sound, blending perfectly into the night. Our next word means shadow.
影、影。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
影の中に隠れます。
They were entrusted with the most difficult tasks, serving their lords with absolute loyalty. Our next word means mission.
任務、任務。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
任務を完了しました。
Their techniques and tools were never shared with outsiders, passed down only within the clan. Our next word means secret.
秘密、秘密。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
これは秘密です。
When the sun set, they became one with the night, protecting their village from unseen threats. Our last word means darkness.
闇、闇。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
闇が深いです。
Like the ninja resting after a long night, it's time for you to find peace in the quiet dark. Sleep well, and good night.
おやすみなさい。